Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video. And if you've just got a brand new Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum, but you're having issues setting it up, doing the initial setup, pairing it with your iPhone or your Android device, well, I am here to show you how to fix that. So go ahead and download the Roborock application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Links can be found in the description of this video. Next thing you need to make sure is that you have enabled location services. So for my iPhone, I will go into settings, then I will go into privacy and security, go into location services and enable this toggle of location services. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Roborock application, and it might ask you to register an account, which you do have to. Once you have registered an account, on the top right you will see a plus sign. So we're going to select this plus sign, and you can add a device by either scanning a QR code which is present on the vacuum itself. If you lift the flap, you're going to see the QR code. You can point your camera towards that and scan it, and in case it is not working or no QR code is found, we're going to select this option of no QR code, and bam, here it is. These are the different vacuums which are supported by this Roborock app. So we have the Roborock Q Revo, and that is the one which we are going to select. Now once we've selected Roborock Q Revo, you will notice that your Wi-Fi is automatically populated, but in our case this is our 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. We need to connect our phone to our 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So I'm going to tap on that arrow, say select Wi-Fi, and then from the settings main page I will go into Wi-Fi and select my 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Do not select your Roborock vacuum right now, select your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and of course if you have to enter the password for that, go ahead and do that. And now we can go back to the Roborock application, and herein enter your Wi-Fi password if not already populated, and we're going to select next. Next up on this screen, we're going to select Wi-Fi reset, and then it is telling us to open the cover on the Roborock Q Revo and make sure that the Wi-Fi indicator light is there. Then you have to press and hold power and dock button for 3 seconds or until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi voice prompt. The Roborock Q Revo will now be in pairing mode, and the Wi-Fi indicator is going to flash slowly. At that point, we're going to select next. On this screen, we are going to say connect to device Wi-Fi, and now in my Wi-Fi settings, the Roborock Q Revo is showing up. So we're going to select this, and once it has connected successfully, then we are going to go back to the Roborock application. So here it is, we got the check mark. We can go back to the Roborock app, and here it is. Phone is being connected to the device, transferring information to the device, and device is connecting to the internet. You will get all those prompts on your Roborock Q Revo as well. Once all these three options have been checked, select use now, and for the terms and conditions, agree. It is going to load the map, and there it is, peeps. That is how you pair your Roborock Q Revo to your iPhone or your Android device. The pro tip here is to make sure that your location services are enabled, and if the Roborock app asks for access to location, feel free to do that, but do note that you have to do it only during the initial setup. After that, even if you turn off the location on your iPhone, it is going to work without any issues.